Hi there, this video describes my solution for assignment 3 in the Coursera Android series. So the assignment is to create a weather app. I found that all the weather apps that I tested failed to tell you anything about the chance of a Sharknado, and because many people are concerned about that, I thought I'd add that feature. So let's open the app. We're using the Android material design. So the first thing we want to do is start adding locations that we are interested in. So let's try Salt Lake City. So in the background it's using a weather service to query the chance of a shark attack. We can see it's not very likely in Salt Lake City. Let's try something that might be a little more likely. Okay, in Cape Town, pretty moderate chance of a shark attack based on the 20-mile-an-hour wind speed, a very high humidity, and a very favorable temperature to sharks. So we can try some other locations too. Yep, so at negative 62.8 most sharks would be frozen, and those would be pretty dangerous, but they do not constitute what we would call an active Sharknado, where the sharks are chomping and biting as they fly through the air. So just to show that we're doing some of these background things, I've got a settings menu that shows a synchronous refresh, so that goes serially through and calls the blocking version of the service call. We can see it going rather quickly. And we can also use one that does them all at once. So we'll use the refresh async command for that. So that's going to use a different service command that will start the process and then wait for a listener callback in the main activity. And they'll all happen at once pretty fast, so don't blink. Okay, they all came in pretty fast. So if I run that again really quickly, you'll see it doesn't even refresh, and that's because those are turning into cache hits since they've been queried in the last 10 seconds. If we wait a couple more seconds and do it again, we'll see it take slightly longer as we pull the background service, the background REST service. Right. We can also add places that don't exist, and we'll get an error back, not found city, from the service. So a long tap on that, it goes away. All right, that's about it. Take a look at the source code when and if you get access to it.